Welcome to this detailed tutorial on converting categories to tags in WordPress using the built-in converter tool. In this guide you will learn how to complete the process in approximately 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. When the page loads, focus on the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on login will allow you to access your account and start working within the WordPress environment. Once you have clicked on login, you will be offered a range of sign-in options. In this instance, the recommended method is to click on Continue with Google. This option provides a secure way to sign in with your Google account. When you are presented with the list of accounts, choose the one you wish to use and allow the necessary permissions. This step ensures that you are now properly authenticated and ready to manage your site's content. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. From this dashboard, it is time to begin navigating to the appropriate sections that housing the content that you intend to work with. Start by clicking on Posts. This section is where your content is managed, and organizing posts correctly is essential because it links directly to the areas where your categories are controlled. Once in the Posts area, the next logical step is to click on Categories. This action brings you to a page that displays all the categories you have set up on your WordPress site. Take a moment to review the categories because they are the foundation for the conversion process that will follow. Your familiarity with these categories can help in understanding the structure of your content organization. The process continues when you click on the link that is labeled Category to Tag Converter. This link directs you to a tool specifically designed to ease the process of converting categories into tags. The converter tool is useful for streamlining content management and can have a positive effect on your site's search engine optimization by simplifying your taxonomy. Following this, you will next be directed to the Categories and Tags Converter section. This part of the process lays the groundwork for data conversion by preparing the necessary content to be transformed. When you are in this area, the interface will clearly indicate all available options and settings related to the conversion process. At this stage, you should click on Run Importer. This important action initiates the scanning and importing of your current category data. It ensures that all the information associated with your categories is accurately gathered, setting the stage for the actual conversion. Once the importer has finished its work, it will display a comprehensive list of items available for conversion. After the import process is complete, you will see an option to click on Check All. Using the Check All feature guarantees that every single category is selected without the risk of accidentally missing any. This is a useful efficiency feature that simplifies the selection process before starting the final transformation. The final step in this process is to click on Convert Categories to Tags. This action triggers the conversion operation, effectively transforming all of your selected categories into tags. When the process is finished, you will have successfully updated your site's taxonomy structure, allowing you to manage and organize your content in a more streamlined manner. This concludes today's tutorial on converting categories to tags in WordPress. By following each step in the order provided, you have learned how to use the converter tool efficiently, ensuring that your content management remains organized and effective. Enjoy working with your updated taxonomy structure on WordPress.